Hello, do you know what is one more than any number? So, what number comes after, say, 5? Let's try. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Well done. So, one more is just whatever number comes next in that number. Let's try another one. What about 8? What number comes after 8? Yes, well done. It is 9. Okay, so that is how you do it. Let's try a question here for you today. So, let's say I start with the number 10, a bit harder. What is one more than 10? Okay, just give me a second. Well done, it is 11. Well done. So, that is how you do and how you count one more than any number. So, use this information, play the next game, and we'll see you the next one.